How to send voice messages on Discord PC. Easy tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to send voice messages on Discord from your PC. Step 1. Open Discord on your computer. Step 2. Navigate to the server where you want to send a voice message. Step 3. In the chat box, click on the plus icon next to it. Step 4. Select Upload. From here, you can browse through your files and choose the audio file you want to upload on Discord. Step 5. Now, let's set up the voice message recording. Open your Microsoft Store and search for Voice Recorder. Step 6. Click on the Audio Recorder app and hit Get to download it. Step 7. Once downloaded, use the app to record your voice message. Step 8. After recording, go back to Discord. Click on the Upload File button and browse for the audio file you just recorded. Step 9. Select the file and click Open. Your voice message is now uploaded. That's it. You've successfully sent a voice message on Discord. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.